Good morning, dear listeners all over the world. This morning we are going to solve this German Olympiad mathematics question. Let us do it together. Now the question says square root of x plus 5 equals to 5 minus square root of x. Now solution. As we have it like this, square root of x plus 5 equals to 5 minus square root of x. So in this case now, the first thing we are going to do is we are going to take this minus square root of x to the other side. So it will now give us square root of x plus 5. This minus will turn to plus square root of x. Everything equals to 5. Are we together? So the next thing we are going to do is, now we will now square both sides. We now say square both sides. Then it will now give us open bracket square root of x plus 5 plus square root of x raised to power 2. Everything equals to 5 squared. So from there now, when you square this one, it will now give us square root of x plus 5 plus square root of x into square root of x plus 5 plus square root of x equals to 25. So from there now, we now open the bracket. So now square root of x plus 5 times square root of x plus 5, it will give us x plus 5. Then square root of x plus 5 times square root of x, it will give us plus square root of x plus 5 into x plus square root of x times square root of x plus 5. It will also give us square root of x plus 5 into x. Then square root of x times square root of x is going to give us plus x. Everything equals to 25. So from there now, we will now collect like terms. Now we have x here, we have x here. So x plus s will give us 2x plus 5. Are we together? Then this square root of x plus 5 into x plus square root of x plus 5 into x, it will now give us plus 2 into square root of x plus 5 into x. You know these two now, because we are adding the two together, so equals to 25. Are we together now? So having done that, the next thing we are going to do is, now we will now take this to the other side. So we now have it to be 2 into square root of x plus 5 into x equals to 25 minus 5 minus 2x. So in this case now we now have 2 into x plus 5 into x equals to 25 minus 5. It will give us 20 minus 2x. So in this case now, with what we have, 20 and 2, there is common factor there. So we bring out the common factor. So we now have 2 into x plus 5 into x equals to, so the common factor here is 2. So 2 into 20, 10, minus 2 into 2x, x. Are we together now? So having done that, we now have 2 here, we have 2 here. We will now say divide both sides by 2. It will now give us 2 into square root of x plus 5x equals to 2 into 10 minus x over 2 over 2. So 2 cancel 2, 2 cancel 2. Then we are left with square root of x plus 5 into x equals to 10 minus x. Are we together now? So with what we have now, we are now moving it up. So it will now give us square root of x times x. That's x squared. X times 5 plus 5x. Everything equals to 10 minus x. Okay? So we still have some more steps before we get to the final answer. But dear listeners all over the world, there is one grant on grant which has to do with knowledge of mathematics. So I want to use this medium to inform all the mathematics graduates or all the graduates outside there. If you have any knowledge about what we can use mathematics to develop, you know, there is a grant for you. Kindly DM us and let us discuss about it so that we solve the problem, because money is hidden on where there is problem. So there is a grant now that is meant to solve a problem, but that problem has to do with mathematics. So if you know anything we can use knowledge of mathematics to develop, to invent, please kindly DM us so that we discuss about it and we find solution to it. So let's continue with what we are solving. So this is where we stop. Having done that, the next thing we are now going to do now is we will now square both sides. So when you square it, it will now give us square root of x squared plus 5x. You square it like this, equals to 10 minus x squared. So in this case now, this square root will cancel this square. So we are left with x squared plus 5x equals to 10 minus x into 10 minus x. Are we together now? So let's continue. As we now have it, x squared plus 5x equals to now 10 times 10, 100. 10 times minus s minus 10x. Minus s times 10 minus 10x. Minus s times minus x plus x squared. Are we together now? So having done that, it will now give us x squared plus 5x equals to 100 minus 10s minus 10s. It will give us minus 20x plus x squared. Are we together? So from that now, we will now take minus 20s plus x squared to the left hand side. It will now give us x squared minus x squared. This plus will turn to minus. Then plus 5x plus 20x. This plus minus 20x will turn to plus 20x equals to 100. So in this case now, x squared minus x squared will cancel each other. 5x plus 20x will give us 25x equals to 100. Are we together now? So as we have done that now, and we are solving to get value of x. So now in this case now, we'll now say divide both sides by what? By 25. So we now have it to be 25x over 25 equals to 100 over 25. Now, with what we have on the board now, 25 we cancel 25, we are left with x equals to, how many times 25 can go into 100? So 25 here 1, 25 here 4. So we now have it to be 4 over 1. So therefore, our final answer equals to 4. So that's our answer. And this question is a German Olympiad mathematics question. So dear listeners all over the world, please help us subscribe to our YouTube channel, like it, share it and follow it. And please watch out for more. Bye.